Hello, Nassau County. I'm Vincent White, and today we're talking about what forms of discrimination you are protected against in the workplace. So on the federal level, the Equal Employment Opportunities Commission and Title VII and a variety of other federal laws protect you from age discrimination, race or color discrimination, national origin, which is a little different. You're dealing with some of the Caribbean on Caribbean discrimination, the various nation states that have discrimination against each other now here and they're working here, and different populations run into each other. Those tensions can run very deep. Religious or faith-based discrimination, discrimination against disabilities, gender discrimination, the classic, pregnancy discrimination, genetic information discrimination, which is essentially discriminating against someone because they have a genetic tendency towards a condition. Transgender discrimination has some protection on the federal level as well. And always retaliation. If you participate in the investigation of discrimination, or if you make a complaint of discrimination, you are then also protected against retaliation. So that's another issue on the federal and state level that's always at play, because there's always that fear of retaliation after you complain. On the New York State and the New York City level, you're protected for sexual orientation as well, and that includes heterosexual, homosexual, bisexual, and asexual in New York State. And New York State also has kind of a nice feature, which is perceived sexual orientation discrimination. So it's always an issue if someone perceives you to be, let's say, asexual. Someone looks at you and says, "You are asexual and I hate you for that." If you're not actually asexual, that's a problem, because it's only their perception. They only believe you to be of that sexual orientation. But with this law that helps perceived sexual orientation, that's very important. You don't have to tell a court, "I'm not asexual, so I can't fight this off." In fact, it's just their perception. It's their hate, it's their perception, it's their problem, and this law helps protect you. I hope this helps Nassau County. I know discrimination in the workplace can be a complex issue, and it's an always changing landscape. So if you have more questions, if there's anything I can do to help, please don't hesitate, give me a call, and take care.